A true leader has the confidence to stand alone, the courage to make tough decisions, and the compassion to listen to the needs of others. He does not set out to be leader, but becomes one by the equality of his actions and the integrity of his intent. Hello everyone, hope you and your family are in good health. I'm contesting for the post of General Secretary of Academic Affairs in the upcoming student elections. For all those who don't know me, I'm Devang Jain, class representative of CSE Batch 2018, head of Originals Film and Photography Club, and founder and leader of Student Design Team. To give you a glimpse of my manifesto, I've categorized my vision into 6 parts, beginning with first, academics and curriculum. I'll enhance and modify the current courses, introduce interdisciplinary electives, modern courses like robotics, elementary certification courses like Python and DSA, and propose the idea of dual degree programs for the college. Second, research and career opportunities. I want to accelerate the student foreign exchange programs by utilizing the MOUs signed with French and Portuguese universities. Get proper guidance programs for higher studies like the preparation of GRE, GMAT, CAT, UPSC, etc. Encourage research environment in the college by making collaborations with other institutes on academic projects. And set up Tinkerer's Lab in collaboration with staff. Third, council and management. Prioritize the student grievances system by app delegation of work among PRs and CRs. Redesign the faculty course feedback system. Create a single portal for all scholarship related information on the ACADS website. And I promise less spamming of announcements on WhatsApp and email groups. Fourth, plan for the current online semester. Get affiliations to online learning paid platforms like Coursera to get courses for free. Request faculties to upload pre-recorded lectures or record all live lectures to be watched later. Provide students with monthly incentives up to ₹500 for internet data recharge. Fifth, some ideas especially for PG students. I will formalize a proper academic council for the MTech and PhD, establish procedure for research grants and institute sponsorship for national and international research conferences. Also introduce more fellowship programs. Finally, some brand new initiatives like provision of IT Goa server to students to host their own portfolio website. Try and reduce the minimum attendance criteria to 50%. Make sure study rooms are available 24/7 in the hostels. And last but not the least, push the college to offer summer courses for clearing active backlogs. I've presented all these points in a detailed manner in my manifesto. Please go through them and feel free to ask me any questions in the questionnaire session. Now, for all those who want to know me better, for the last 2 years, I've worked diligently as the class representative of my batch, which has provided me immense experience of dealing with student grievances, conveying them to professors and academic office, and finding solutions to these problems. I've put my best efforts to resolve any issues faced by my batchmates or professors. Becoming the head of Originals has been my greatest opportunity to develop and enhance the important skills of teamwork and management required for the position of GS ACADS. I, along with my team, have sincerely worked hard to photograph each and every event possible, share picture albums at the earliest, and edit award-winning films and videos for various competitions. I've also proved my leadership qualities by formulating a team of creative student designers with proper skill set and abilities to take our institute's content creation level to great heights. I've also been a core member of the organizing committee of Cultrang and Flock. Regardless of all these positions and responsibilities, I've always focused and given top priority to my academics. The title of rank opener of the batch has motivated me to perform my best and encourage others to do the same. At the end, I would like to extend my gratitude to Mr. Prabal Bhandakar and Mr. Megej Khandelwal for being a true inspiration. Since the beginning of the first sem, I've looked up to becoming like them and thus feel very attached to the issues pertaining to the lack of opportunities in our college and would eagerly want to work hard to resolve them. Thank you for listening me out. If you consider me proficient enough to serve you, please show your support by casting your invaluable votes for me. Thank you.